If you want to log out on Twitter, also known as X, this quick guide will show you the exact steps in just a moment. Whether you're using a phone, a tablet, or a computer, the process is simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Twitter and make sure you're signed into the account you want to log out of. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile picture or your account menu. On desktop, this is usually on the left side of the screen or in the navigation area. On mobile, it's often in the top corner or inside the side menu. Tap or click your profile picture to open the account options. Next, in the menu that appears, look for the option that says Log Out. This is the button that will begin the sign-out process for your current Twitter account. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the menu carefully because it may be listed near account settings or additional options depending on the device you're using. Once you find Logout, click or tap it. Twitter will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to log out. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental signouts, especially if you have more than one account connected or if you're using a shared device. When the confirmation message appears, select the option to confirm the logout. After that, Twitter will sign you out of the account. You should now be taken back to the login screen or the public version of the platform, depending on how you accessed it. At this point, the logout process is complete and your account is no longer active on that device. If you're logging out for security reasons, it's also a good idea to double check that you're completely signed out, especially on shared computers or public devices. That way, your account stays private and secure. And that's it. You've now learned how to log out on Twitter in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.